Hi, welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today I want to share with you my flasks from Carmela's Orchids. I'm so excited to share this with you because it's kind of my first time doing this, so we'll see how it goes. I got a Dendrobium, a Cattleya, a Vanda, and an Epidendrum type. Right now they're sitting on my kitchen countertop, and I'm going to let them acclimate to the ambient temperature for about a week or so. Then I'm going to open it and who knows. I'm a little nervous about deflasking seedlings, but I think it should be okay. I had no idea what flask I was going to get. I was pleasantly surprised by how well it was packaged and the size of the seedlings. They look so healthy with so many roots and leaves. They seem more than ready to be deflasked. I just got my flask yesterday, and after inspecting it a little more closely, I think it's time to deflask the epidendrums. They look a little crowded in the pot, and so I think it's time for them to breathe in the fresh air. So I'm going to be deflasking them, and I'm going to share with you my process. So first, I had to remove the rubber stopper. The leaves were growing to the top, and there was no way I can get the seedlings out from the neck of the flask. I had to break it, aiming towards the bottom rim. It took a few tries, but it was a pretty clean break. I took out the seedlings and cleared away the glass. Then they were washed in some lukewarm water. The remaining glass sank to the bottom, and the agar was gently removed from the roots. I had to tease the roots apart since they were so tangled together. I ended up separating the seedlings individually, removing any dead leaves and roots. Then I graded them by size, with about 25 that were smaller than an inch and 25 that were 3 inches or larger. I didn't count the small protocorns, since I'm pretty sure they won't survive. In total, I had about 50 seedlings. Then I sprayed them with hydrogen peroxide. After that, it was time to place them in some containers. I used a clean water jug with sphagnum moss and put the smallest seedlings in. I put a lid to keep the humidity up for the first few days as it acclimates to my environment. I took a small set in sphagnum moss and used another pot to keep in the humidity. With the larger seedlings, I put them in a large compost with a small bark mix. So far, it's not as scary as I thought, but this is only the beginning. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!